Restoring sending privileges on Xbox can help you regain the ability to send messages and communicate with friends. Follow these steps to restore your privileges effectively. Step 1. Check your account status. Visit the Xbox website and log into your account. Check for any notifications or alerts regarding your account status that may indicate restrictions on sending messages. Step 2. Review Xbox Live policies. Familiarize yourself with the Xbox Live Code of Conduct and community standards. Understanding these guidelines can help you identify any potential violations that may have led to the restriction. Step 3. Remove any violations. If you find that your account has violated any policies, take steps to rectify the situation. This may involve removing inappropriate content or changing your behavior in the Xbox community. Step 4. Submit a support request. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your request, be patient and wait for a response from Xbox support. They will inform you of any changes to your account status and whether your sending privileges have been restored. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on Xbox. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Xbox support for further assistance.